Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If this is your very first time here, hi, my name is Ramandeep. I post beauty, makeup, lifestyle, skincare related videos here on my channel. So if you guys like watching such videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell which is right next to it, so you will be notified every single time I upload a new video.
What a wonderful.
I know it's been a while since I sat down and filmed a skincare video for you guys, and you know what, this is a perfect time to do so because Purplle has a huge sale running on their website and their app. So I thought of sharing my favorites and some of my recommendations that you can totally grab during this huge sale. I tried out a lot of skincare products from Purplle, so you can call it a huge first impression / haul video as well. Also, I'll post a separate video where I talk about whatever has been going on in my life, kind of like a life update video where I'll talk about what has been happening, why I haven't posted a video where I actually sat down and I talked to you guys. I did post a lot of shots here and there. I was active on Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what has been happening, but if you don't, I'll make sure you guys are caught up on everything, which will be in my next video. But right now, let's dive right into this video, which is super exciting because you guys know how much I love skincare. And as soon as I tried all these products, I was like, you know what, I need to share this and I need to film a video. And I found out that Purplle has a huge sale, so what better timing. I'll be mentioning all the links and all the offer details in my description bar below, so don't worry. So let's begin with skincare from the brand Purplle itself. Honestly, I had no clue that Purplle had so many skincare products, and I grabbed 3 of their face serums, and you guys, I would recommend checking out all 3. I'll get into them one by one, but these 3 products are some of my personal favorites from all the products that I'm going to talk about today. Surprise, surprise, the first serum that I'm going to talk about is their vitamin C serum. Of course, you guys know how obsessed I am with vitamin C serums, and any skincare products related to vitamin C. Can we just take a moment to talk about the unique carton here? I absolutely love the purple packaging. Purple is my favorite color. I love purple and black, and this packaging is super cool. So of course, it's important to know that the product is effective and it does what it claims to do. But I'm someone who pays attention to all these minute details like packaging, aesthetics, and all other details, and I'm personally obsessed with products that have a good packaging, and the unique carton has totally won my heart. I love this color and I really like it. So this is how the actual packaging looks like, you guys. This is so pretty. I love the gradient here. I love the purple bottle. It's a glass bottle, so it looks so fancy and bougie on your vanity. So vitamin C will help you with so many skin concerns like dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, any early signs of aging. You guys know how many times I've talked about vitamin C on my channel and on my IG. So the obsession is real, of course, and I love trying out new vitamin C serums, and this is definitely one of those serums that I see myself using for a long time. As soon as I finish this bottle, I'm definitely repurchasing this because for the given price point, I'm absolutely in love with the quality of the serum, and it also has vitamin B3, which is niacinamide, so it also helps you repair your skin barrier. I apply the serum every night, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels so soft and supple. It feels so hydrated. I have dry skin, so whenever I use any oil-based serums, my skin feels so happy. It gives my skin that healthy glow. So in case you have a similar skin type, you are going to love this serum. And as I mentioned, this is an oil-based serum, so I would definitely recommend using it at night so that you wake up with smooth and supple skin. And all the skincare products that I'm going to be talking about in today's video from Purplle are cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and mineral oil-free, which is something that I absolutely love. Now talking about the price and quantity, you are getting 20 ml of product here. And I need you to sit down for the next part because when I tell you the price of this serum, you are going to be shocked. It retails for just rupees 275, and with the offers that are running on their website, you will get it for a cheaper price. I mean, this is a steal. The next serum that I tried from Purplle is their 24 karat gold oil. Here's a closer look at the bottle. Again, I absolutely love the packaging. It looks so bougie and fancy, and I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there are tiny gold particles in here. Just a second, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Can you guys see them now? I'm really not sure if the camera is picking it up, but there are tiny gold particles in here, and I love the packaging again. Now this serum will moisturize your skin and give your skin that radiant glow, you know. It also gets rid of dry patches. So I personally have dry skin, like I mentioned. So I tend to get dry spots on my face. Now what are dry spots exactly? So when you apply foundation, you might notice that your foundation tends to cling onto certain spots on your face. So those are called dry patches or dry spots, and you really need to moisturize the hell out of your skin to get rid of those spots, and this oil has helped me a lot with that. I definitely use this as a skincare product, but I also like using it under my makeup. I did use it under my makeup today, so that's why my skin is all radiant and glowy. I am someone who used to love all matte makeup, but now I've been loving the dewy look, so I applied this serum before I applied my makeup. I would definitely recommend incorporating this serum in your makeup routine. Like when you prep your skin for your makeup, before you apply makeup, you need to prep your skin, apply your skincare. Make sure this is the last step of that routine, and then start applying your base makeup over this. You will get that flawless radiant glow. And the ingredients in here also help you get rid of any acne scars and fine lines, wrinkles, signs of aging. Like I mentioned earlier, you can use it as a skincare product to get that healthy, radiant glow and help you with all these skin concerns, but you can also apply it under your makeup for that radiant glow, especially when you're applying makeup for some special occasions or events and you want that glowy, dewy, celebrity skin kind of feel. You can definitely apply this face oil under your makeup. Now if I'm not wrong, this retails for rupees 549, but again with the offers that are running on their website, you will get it for a cheaper price. So make sure you check out the link. I'll mention all those details below. The next serum that I tried from Purple is their oil control serum with tea tree and papaya oil. Now tea tree here helps with acne, breakouts, and it controls sebum production, and the papaya oil present here removes any dead skin cells from your face. My T-zone tends to get extremely oily sometimes, so I use this serum in that area specifically, and it also helps with fine lines, signs of aging, hyperpigmentation, and like I mentioned, acne and breakouts. It has moisturizing properties, anti-aging properties, and it improves the skin elasticity. So if you have acne prone skin, oily skin, combination skin, I would totally recommend checking out this serum. I'm personally loving how my skin feels. I really like this serum, and it's going to help you with so many skin concerns. So if you guys want to check this out, again everything will be mentioned down below. So this serum retails for rupees 275, but like I mentioned, with all the offers that are running on their website, you will get it for a cheaper price. I also have some sheet masks from Purple. So this is their time to hydrate snow sheet mask, and I have the one with rice extracts, with coconut extracts, and then I have the Keep Calm and Exfoliate mask, which is a charcoal sheet mask. Now the rice mask and the coconut mask right here will provide a lot of hydration to your skin. So again, if you have dry skin, I would totally recommend checking out these masks. And what's unique about these is that they have a snow pattern. I'll insert a picture on the screen so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. And the coconut mask will also help you soothe your skin in case you're facing any irritation. And now the charcoal mask is basically good for detoxifying and exfoliating your skin. They've mentioned that it gets rid of any impurities, and it will also help you control sebum production. So if you have oily skin, combination skin, or acne prone skin, you can definitely check out this sheet mask. And they've mentioned that their sheet masks are made with biodegradable fiber, which is amazing. I honestly feel that Purple has some really good skincare products, and I am so shocked actually, because this is the very first time I tried out skincare products from Purple, and I'm super impressed with the results, and I'm definitely going to continue using them. And if you guys want to try them out, I think this is the best time to do so, because you're getting so many offers. I was just going through the Purple website, and I'm seeing that they have almost 40% off on $3.99 for Wow products. Then they have 30% off on Good Vibes, Stay Quirky, Abs Goodness, NY Bay, and then they have up to 40% off on Maybelline. This is a steal. I'm definitely going to take advantage of this sale. Alright, moving on. Now I'm going to talk about some skincare products from the brand Good Vibes. Did you think the haul is over? Of course not. I have so many skincare products that I'm going to talk about today. That's the reason why I'm filming this video, because I have so much stuff to talk about. Again, this was me trying out Good Vibes for the very first time, so here are some of my recommendations. Let's dive into it. The first product that I'm going to talk about is their coffee face wash, and I am in love with this face wash, and I think that would be an understatement because this face wash is so good. I have been using it every single day since I received my package. Now this face wash is rich in antioxidants and it also helps you improve your skin texture. So when I wash my face with this face wash, my skin doesn't feel dry at all and somehow it feels so soft and hydrated. This can be used by all skin types, and honestly I love how my skin feels after using this. It doesn't feel dry at all. It doesn't strip down the natural moisture of your face. So this is something that I look for in a face wash. It will also help you soothe any acne, irritation and breakouts. It just smells like coffee. I love the fragrance. Again, all the products from Good Vibes are cruelty free, paraben free, mineral oil free and sulfate free. Moving on, the next product that I tried out from Good Vibes is their lavender soothing toner. Like right off the bat, I need to mention that I am someone who loves the fragrance of lavender. It has helped me sleep better in the past. It gives me that soothing feeling. It helps me relax. So I am personally in love with lavender, and of course this lavender toner has won my heart. This toner can be used by all skin types. It has aloe vera, green tea, jasmine, olive oil, which will all soothe your skin. This is also going to provide a lot of hydration to your face and treat active acne. And this is alcohol free, so thumbs up. So what I like to do is I apply it in my morning skincare routine. When I cleanse my face, I apply this toner all over my face and the fragrance is so good. I love the fragrance and it also helps my skin feel hydrated, relaxed, and it also soothes any irritation. It has a very fine mist. Oh my god, it smells heavenly. I love it. And again, Good Vibes products are super affordable and I love the quality that we are getting for the given price point. I am super impressed. I'll mention all the links and all the details in the description bar below, so make sure you check it out. I also tried out their Brazilian volcanic purple clay age defying mask. This is how it looks. It looks so yummy. I love the color. So this is how it looks up close. I love the purple color, purple grayish color I would say. It almost looks like yogurt and I want to eat it, but I won't. I personally like using this mask at night, so what I do is I cleanse my face with a face wash, and on clean and dry skin I apply this face mask evenly and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. And this will make your skin feel so hydrated and it gives my skin that radiant glow. So this mask will help boost collagen production, and like the name suggests, this also has a lot of anti-aging properties, which means it will prevent fine lines, wrinkles and any other early signs of aging. Again, there are no parabens and sulfates here and it's cruelty free. I also tried out the Licorice face cream and this has become my favorite moisturizer to use during the day and the night. So this is a lightweight non-greasy face cream which actually can be used by all skin types. It feels super hydrating and I wake up with soft skin every morning. Ever since I started using this face cream, my skin doesn't feel dry at all, honestly. Here's a closer look and this will give your skin that radiant glow. So this face cream can be used by all skin types. It's not heavy and greasy, so it can be used by folks with oily skin, combination skin, normal skin, and also if you have dry skin, this is going to hydrate the hell out of your skin and you're going to love it. And the last product that I have from Good Vibes is their Rosehip Radiant Glow Face Serum. This is how it looks. It comes in a tiny bottle. You get 10 ml of product, but you get all the goodness in here. It's a lightweight serum which will make your skin super glowy and dewy. It can be used by all skin types. Now this serum is rich in antioxidants and it also helps with hyperpigmentation. This also has anti-aging properties, so if you notice any early signs of aging, you can definitely use this serum. It will help you reduce any fine lines, wrinkles. It basically improves the elasticity of your skin, so this is something that can be used by everyone, especially if you are looking for an anti-aging and super hydrating serum. Alright guys, so these are all the products that I'm in love with from Good Vibes and Purple. All the links and offer details will be mentioned in my description bar below. I would highly recommend taking advantage of this sale because this is a huge sale. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and let me know if you have tried out any of these products or plan on trying out any of these products, and share it with your friends as well. And if you're watching this face for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell which is right next to it. I love you all, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.